Happy birthday, Janela. God bless you on your 18th year. And thank you for the friendship that you have offered to us. And we are so blessed to have you as our friend. Now that you're 18, I pray na mas marami ka pang matutunan, and third year na tayo, lapit na tayo gumraduate, and I know that you will be a great teacher someday. And always remember na you are God's princess, and you have that one thing. And that one thing is the love of God that you are going to share to other people. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi Zanella, happy 18th birthday. Siyempre, papasalamat ako kay God kasi binigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon na makilala ka at maging isa sa mga kaibigan ko na handa talagang tumulong in good times and bad times. And hopefully, na tumagal talaga yung friendship natin. At hindi lang yun ang wish ko. Siyempre, ang wish ko rin sana you're now 18. Alam ko, may mga boys dyan. Hindi ko man alam, pero at least, diba, you're aware. Aral muna tayo. Wow, salita. Aral muna. Alam ko naman wala sa isip mo yon, pero ayoko lang kasi ma-experience mo yung mga na-experience ko at ng ibang tao sa mga ganung bagay. And hopefully, makita kita soon. I love you so much. Berogs! Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nela! 18 years old ka na. Wala lang. Buti na lang umattend ka ng debut ko. Sila hindi, no? Sayang. Hindi. Wala lang. Happy birthday. And you know we love you. I love you. Wag, wait lang. Dalaga ka na. Dapat kahit dalaga na tayo kunwari, bata pa rin tayo at heart. Alam mo naman, besides students. Medyo lang. Alam ko naman madaming nag-aano sa'yo. Huwag ka munang kay kuya kapag nagparamdam siya sa'yo.
Ano?
Okay. God bless.